Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn off or disable the Windows Defender on our Windows. So disabling Defender leaves your PC unprotected. So only do this temporarily or if you're installing something you fully trust. So let's get started. First of all, you can just go ahead and click on the Start menu here and type in Windows Security and open up Windows Security, this one right here. And once you open it up, you will be finding this on your screen. You can expand it up and make it full screen. From here, what you can do is you can go to Virus and Threat Protection right here and open it up. Once you open up Virus and Threat Protection, on the Virus and Threat Protection, you can go ahead and click on the option called Manage Settings right here. So click on it and open it up on your screen. And here, find Real-Time Protection and toggle the switch off. You can tap on it, click on it in order to turn it off, and that will turn off the real-time protection on your device. You can just go ahead and do so. Confirm the prompt if it asks. And that will turn the Defender off temporarily, and Windows usually turns it back on after restart or after some time. Another thing we can do is we can go ahead and use the PowerShell method. So I can go to the search and type in PowerShell and Windows PowerShell and run it as an administrator. Go ahead and do so. And once you run it as an administrator, click on yes and open it up. And here, just go ahead and type in these commands right here. We'll also leave it in the description. So go ahead and type in these commands one by one. First of all, this one right here. And go here, go ahead and paste it and hit enter. And that should do it. Once you do so, you can just go ahead and turn it back on again. For that, you can just go ahead and type in this one right here, copy and paste it, and then go ahead and paste it here and hit enter. And that should turn it back on. Apart from that, what we can do is the next thing, you can just head over and go ahead and instead of fully disabling the Defender, you can go ahead and add an exclusion. So you can do that even if you prefer that, and that's it. That is how we turn off or disable Windows Defender on Windows. So you can just go ahead and do so. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.